In this video, we're going to learn about substitution in algebra. You've probably come across the word substitute in sports, when one player is substituted on in place of another player. In algebra, it's the exact same thing. We just substitute numbers in place of the letters. So we have this formula. If the base is 5 centimetres and the height is 10 centimetres, then the area is half times 5 times 10, because we have replaced the b with 5 and the h with 10. So the area is 25 centimetres squared. That's all there is to substitution. Just be careful with negative numbers. Make sure you remember to include the minus signs and put brackets around them to make sure you get the calculations correct. Before I set you off on some questions, here's a quick refresher on how negatives work. So two negatives become a positive. In adding and subtracting, the negatives have to be next to each other. But for multiplying and dividing, it's just if you're multiplying or dividing two negatives. Whereas, if there's just one negative when we multiply and divide, then the answer stays a negative. So give these substitution questions a go. Pause the video, work them out, and click play when you're ready. How did you get on? So that's all there is for substitution. You just replace the letters with numbers.